Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust when your charging connector cable locks in the all-new 2023 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a limited in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head into the 10.25 inch infotainment screen, and there's a couple different ways we can get to the EV settings. So quickly, you can either hit setup here in the control center, you can swipe to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner, or you can also go into the EV menu and you'll see the little gear here that will bring you into the EV settings. Now, if we did it through setup, you'll see there's an EV symbol here with the little gear, and that's the same thing. So when we hit that, it takes us into the EV settings. So now that we're in here, on the left-hand side, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll up a little bit, and then you'll see charging connector locking mode. So I'm gonna select that, and we have three options in the middle. So we have always, while charging, or do not lock. So right now it's set to while charging. So if you were to go plug your connecting or your charging cable into the port, then it's going to lock itself and it will not unlock until the actual charging is complete, or if you've gone to unlock the car yourself and just to release it if you needed to take it out and get going. Otherwise, you can have it set to always, so that even whether it's charging or not charging and you're out and about charging at a public charging station, if you lock the car doors, nobody can take that port out until you come back and unlock the car. Or you can have it set to do not lock, so it's not locked into place at all, whether it's charging or not, whether the doors are unlocked or not. And a general rule of thumb out there when you're out at a public charging station with other people charging their EVs is that you generally want to have it while charging, so that if your car happened to finish and charged up fully, but you haven't come back to the car yet, somebody can take yours out and go and put it into theirs and start charging theirs instead of having to wait for you to come back to the vehicle. But you get these three options, and it's personal preference on which one you want to use. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.